The Irkut Corporation successfully implements the program of the Be200 multi-purpose amphibious aircraft. Being the only series-produced amphibious jet in the world, the Be200 is especially well suited for firefighting operations in remote areas. While gliding on the water surface, it scoops up to 12 tons of water into 8 dedicated water tanks within 18 seconds and drops it precisely on the fire spot in a single salvo or in 1 to 8 consecutive drops. The aircraft is also equipped with 4 tanks to accommodate 800 liters of chemical retardants, which can be mixed with water to enhance firefighting effectiveness. Before landing for refueling, the Be200 delivers up to 240 tons of water equivalent to the fire. In its pressurized cabin, the Be200 can also carry a firefighting team and their organic equipment to the fire zone. Due to its high water surface takeoff and landing capabilities, the Be200 has an obvious deployment and basing advantages over the land-based aircraft. For its operation, it requires only a small paved area ashore with a slope-to-water surface and can be successfully used in remote coastal areas lacking prepared ground airfields. The aircraft is well suited for operation in adverse weather conditions and mountainous terrain. The Be200 base platform can be modified for a wide variety of applications, ranging from disaster relief, search and rescue, maritime patrol, and medical evacuation to passenger and cargo transportation. Employed for airlift operations, the Be200 carries cargoes in standard containers or on pallets, loaded both from land and water through the cargo door 2 meters high and 1.7 meters wide. The Be200 is perfectly suited for search and rescue operations due to the availability of the infrared surveillance system and its unique capability of landing on a 2.6 meter deep open water area with the waves up to 1.2 meters high. Since 2003, Russia's Ministry for Emergencies has been successfully employing several Be200GS aircraft. The amphibian successfully extinguished forest fires in Russia and Indonesia, performed several search and rescue missions, transported EMERCOM personnel and equipment to emergency zones. Starting from October 30th till December 11th in 2006, 3 EMERCOM Be200GS amphibians suppressed forest fires at the Sumatra and Kalimantan Islands on a leasing basis. Crew had to work in a severe environment, as more than 550,000 square kilometers of this region were covered with smoke from the forest fires. The firefighting services of Indonesia's Ministries of Forestry and Environment acknowledged high effectiveness of the Be200GS in extinguishing large-scale forest fires. Generally, the employment of the Be200GS amphibians enhances the effectiveness of the EMERCOM emergency units in firefighting and disaster relief operations, as well as improves their rapid response capabilities. For several years, the Irkut Corporation has been successfully cooperating with the European Aeronautic Defence and Space Company. To be fully qualified for operations in the European countries, the EADS will assist in obtaining the Certificate of a Restricted Category for the Be200 firefighting modification from the European Aviation Safety Agency. In September 2004, The Sorem Company, the official operator of the Civil Protection Department of Italy, leased the Be-200 amphibian from the Irkut Corporation. The aircraft was operated by a joint crew of Russian and Italian pilots, trained at the Biriev Training Center. With 3 major fires successfully suppressed at the Sardinia Island, the Be-200 had demonstrated an unsurpassed firefighting capability, together with high dispatch reliability and rapid responsiveness. Each fire had been suppressed in less than 2 hours. Considering the successful firefighting experience, the Be-200 continued its operations in 2005. During this program, which started on July the 5th and lasted for 70 days, the Be-200 demonstrated its ability to fully integrate into the local firefighting infrastructure. In accordance with a contract between the Portuguese Ministry of Interior and the Biriev Aircraft Company, the Be-200GS amphibian was successfully employed in Portugal to suppress forest fires from July 1st till August 31st in 2006. Due to the high intensity of forest fires in Portugal, the Be-200GS was employed regularly on a daily basis, flying up to 4 firefighting sorties on certain days. The Be-200GS amphibian demonstrated high flight performance and perfect maneuverability in the mountainous terrain and a high-temperature environment, with the water scooping performed from high-altitude lakes having a complicated configuration. Moreover, during the intensive employment, the aircraft demonstrated an excellent integration into the existing European aviation infrastructure and compatibility with the local ground support equipment. Multifunctionality, impressive flight and maritime performance, redeployment flexibility, convertibility, as well as relative simplicity of basing and maintenance, open up bright prospects for the Be-200 amphibian to become a core element of firefighting aviation squadrons, disaster relief agencies, and hydroaviation transportation units.